Hi, it's Tim for the Realme C55 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's first open the settings and then scroll to the wallpaper and style. Here click to allow twice and tap the wallpaper section. Here you'll see your default wallpapers on your device, the album. Tap to allow if you want to use photo from your device gallery or download it from the internet. Also, we can use here the more wallpapers, but just to use them. Uh, this is like the online wallpapers. Okay, so I just have no chance here to open them. I don't know why. So just to change the wallpaper, select one from the available wallpapers, click to apply and tap to lock screen. Just wait a second after that. Now let's just lock the device. And as you can see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can make it by another way. Just hold for a while the empty space with your finger, then click on the left down corner to wallpapers, and by the same way, just select one from the available wallpapers, click apply, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.